Prove that integral 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x by 9 plus 16 sin 2x equal to 1 by 20 into log 3. 1 by 20 into log 3. Put sin x minus cos x equal to t. Equal to t. Derivative of sin x cos x. Derivative of cos x minus sin x whole dx equal to dt. This part is over. Next, squaring on both sides. Sin square x plus cos square x minus 2ab equal to t square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. In the form of 2 sin a cos a sin 2a equal to t square. 1 minus t square equal to sin 2x. Sin 2x. 1 minus t square. Next. Change the limits. If x value 0, t value sin 0 0, cos 0 value 1. If x value pi by 4, t value sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 cancel. So LHS equal integral when x value 0, t value minus 1. When x value pi by 4, t value 0. This numerator dt 9 plus 16 sin 2x value 1 minus t square 1 minus t square dt. Multiply with this minus 1 to 0 1 by 9 plus 16 minus 16 t square. 9 plus 16 25 minus 16 t square dt. Take 16 common. Minus 1 to 0. Take 16 common. 25 by 16 minus t square dt. This 16 is this one. Integral minus 1 to 0 1 by 5 by 4 whole square minus t square dt. This is in the form of 1 by a square minus x square. Apply this formula. A plus x by a minus x. 1 by a square minus x square. 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x. So 1 by 16, 1 by 2, a value 5 by 4, log mod x minus a, 5 by 4 x plus a square minus x square, a plus x by a minus x by 5 by 4 minus x from minus 1 to 0. 4 times cancel. 1 by 40 log 4 LCM 5 plus 4x 5 minus 4x LCM 4 cancel. Apply upper limit. 1 by 40 log x value 0 5 by 5 1 minus log, substitute x value minus 1, 5 minus 4 1 minus of minus plus 5 plus 4. So 1 by 40 into log 1 value 0, 1 by 9 minus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 40 log 1 by 9 means 3 square. Take it into numerator. 3 square becomes 2. 3 minus 2. There is a logarithm function. Minus 1 by 40 minus 2 log 3. 2 table. 20 times cancel. Minus into minus plus. 1 by 20 into log 3. 1 by 20 into log 3. Next, another problem. Integral integral 0 to pi x sin x by 1 plus sin x 1 plus sin x dx 1 plus sin x dx. So let it be I. Replace x with upper limit minus x. Upper limit minus x. So let it be I. 0 to pi minus x sin pi minus x sin pi minus x. Replace x with upper limit minus x sin 180 minus x. 180 minus x belongs to Q2. In Q2 sin value positive. Integral 0 to pi minus x sin x by 1 plus sin x dx. This is a second I. Take I plus I. I plus I. 0 to pi. First I. X sin x by 1 plus sin x. Second I, pi minus x sin x by 1 plus sin x dx. This is first I. This is second I. Take LCM. Take LCM. 2I equal to 0 to pi 1 plus sin x. Numerator 1 plus x into sin x pi sin x minus x sin x dx. X sin x dx cancel. Take this pi common. 2I equal to pi into 0 to pi sin x by 1 plus sin x dx. Add plus 1 and minus 1 in the numerator. Pi into 0 to pi 1 plus sin x minus 1 by 1 plus sin x dx. Split into two parts. Pi into 0 to pi 1 plus sin x by 1 plus sin x 1 by 1 plus sin x dx. So integral of 1 equal to x over. Next this one. Rationalize this one. Pi into 0 to pi 1 minus 1 by 1 plus sin x 1 minus sin x by 1 minus sin x dx. Pi into 0 to pi 1 minus numerator 1 minus sin x by a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square 1 minus sin square x 1 minus sin square x equal to cos square x dx. Split into two parts. 2I equal to pi into 0 to pi. This one is 1. 1 by cos square. 1 by cos square equal to secant square x. Minus into minus plus. Sin by cos square. Sin by cos square. Sin by cos equal to tan. 1 by cos equal to secant plus tan x secant x dx. So take integration formulas. Pi into integral of 1x. Integral of 1 equal to x. Integral of secant square x tan x secant x. Integral of 1 x. Integral of secant square x tan x. Integral of secant x into tan x equal to secant x. Next, apply limits. 2I equal to pi into x tan x plus secant x tan x from 0 to pi. Pi into First upper limit pi minus tan pi value 0, tan pi value 0, 0 into something equal to 0. So this is a upper limit value minus lower limit value, lower limit value 0, tan 0, 0. So 2i equal to pi into pi square, I value pi square by 2, I value pi square by 2